morning, friends. Hello and welcome to our April 8th unboxing. I have two beautiful boxes here today and I'm excited to get into them. If you're joining me for unboxing for the first time, what unboxing is, the dolls are made over in Vancouver Island along with the clothes. Well, most of them anyway. Some is made here in Vancouver, but and then it comes over here and I unbox them. And I hope everybody is doing well this morning. It's a beautiful sunshiny day here. It's gorgeous. Okay, let's get right in. I'll find my box cutters. Okay, so actually first what I'm going to do is open this package that I got from Carol, and Carol is the lady that does my knitting. That was actually kind of scary doing that with. She does my knitting. She does some of my knitting for the sweaters and things. But you know what? I'm actually not going to look at the sweaters. They're in this package. I'm looking at this because I love on Thursday morning when I'm doing dressing to be kind of surprised by the sweaters. It sort of like all comes together. Anyway, I'm just going to leave them there for a surprise for me. But I did ask her to make some of these, which we haven't had for quite some time. So they're little, little friend tunics. So I'm going to make some little friend, let me see if I can find one here that would be good. Okay, she's perfect. So sorry, she's got a needle in her head, but and she's a half-made smile. So I'm gonna get some cute little, gonna get the little friends here, and then put little tights on them and a little t-shirt, and then we're gonna put little ears on them, so they're kind of like a little elf with these beautiful knit tunics. I love them. We haven't had them for a while, so I was excited she could get them knit up for me because Carol is amazing. So I'll have those up on Friday. Yeah, so I've got that stuff happening, so that's exciting. And then let's get into the boxes. And if you're saying hi and stuff on the Instagram or on the Facebook, I actually can't see comments right now. I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's see what is in here. Okay, so box number one. Just gonna put this on here better. Okay, let's see what's going on. Let's see what's going on. Okay, let's move my coffee. Oh, so nice. So nice. We've got some sitting friend dresses. They won't go in today's upload, but next upload, just because it's yeah, I already have this upload all done. So we've got these beautiful ones. Isn't that pretty? And this with the little strawberries, and then this with the Care Bears. So these are for sitting friends, so I'll have those guys. So that's cute. I do have little friend Care Bear ones coming up. They just haven't been made yet, so I'll probably get them next week. So let's hope that they're on their way. And then, oh, some more sweaters here. Excellent, with some white. The white sweaters are they're so good because they kind of go with everything. They're such a good sweater to have. And then I've got some, some cute little sweaters too. Okay, so those are for the little buddies. And some beautiful dresses from Sam. So I've got this one and this one and that one. That's really nice. Look at that with the lace on the bottom. And then this one. I love this fabric so much. Okay, so I've got those beautiful dresses, and these are for me. They're just some boots. I've got those guys. And also for me, some eggs. So I have Kat, one of our sewers on the island. She has an egg chicken farm, and anyway, sends me some eggs. So I'm always very thankful for those. Okay, so I've got some really beautiful sitting friends here. I've got her and her. Oh my gosh, look at that color. It's so nice because it's light out today, or sorry, it's sunny today, so I was able to turn off the lights, yeah, the fluorescent lights. So this is nice because you can actually see like the true colors here. So I've got these two. Let's put them over here. Okay, and then this beautiful girl here. And beautiful girl here. And, oh my gosh, 2 gingers. Look at that. It's a kind of a bumper crop of sitting friends today because we had like how the sewers come in, and then this beautiful girl here, and this one. Oh, look at that, pink. That's really pretty. And oh, love it. All dread, gorgeous. And a boy. Oh my gosh, did she make? I hope she did. Remember those like cute little outfits with the ties? Wouldn't that be so cute on him? Anyway, I'm not sure if we have it or not, but I know we have it for Forever Friend for sure, but I don't know if we're sitting friend. And then this beautiful girl here, her purple. Look at all those textures and stuff, and just like the amount of hair. Oh God, I love the sitting friends so much. Okay, I'm gonna put these back in here and get into the next box. Just here. Oh, okay. Let's see what's in this guy. Okay. All right. Okay, this is what I was like super excited about yesterday when I was like kind of freaking out on our Facebook group. I have these really beautiful, look at this, amazing work. This is all patched, like patchwork, right? So this is all patchwork dresses that I have. So we're gonna make these special sitting friend elves. So I'll grab this one. So we've got this like beautiful little sitting friend elf, like that, with her little thing, and then she's got like a little kerchief for her head. Oh my God. And then I had, are they in here? Oh, and then some ears. So we're gonna pop some ears on them. So they're gonna be, my God, I cannot believe how well this turned out. Like I sent the girls like a photo, like not a photo, like a little drawing, and then like a photo of some patches that I liked, and like all this inspiration, and it was amazing. They made it like, it's so cool, guys, to see your like visions, your drawings and your photos and stuff come to life. It's like the coolest thing. Anyway, so here she is, and then she's gonna have her little dress on and her cute little ears sticking out. And is this not the cutest thing? Look at her. Oh my gosh, she's so freaking cute. Okay, so that, okay, so excited to see my dream come true. This is my dream come true right here. Yeah, and then she's got like her little slip. It's adorable. And then the patches on pat. Okay, so cute, so freaking cute. So we've got this happening. So there's gonna be, yeah, 6. So there's gonna be 6 special sitting friend elfkins with the little ears. And I asked Sarah, she's the one that makes the ears. I asked her to make them a little bit different than usual. So they're a little bit more rounded. So they're gonna be like that. So we're gonna do that. And of course, like I'm gonna just pin them in the ears like I always do. And then if you like don't want the ears, we can take them out. But Bridget will be sewing them in next week. But yeah, it is like the coolest feeling to see something like manifest like that. It is really, really cool. Okay, let's get into more dolls. I've got these 2 little buddies. Lots of little buddies today. Oh, look at this cool girl. She's rad. And this one. Those 2. And then, oh, I love this one. I love this handspan. That was my favorite handspan we've had for a while. Like, I mean, I love all the handspan, but I really like the multicolor, like when it's all like a little celebration. And this one's really beautiful too. We've got her. And oh, I wish I could see comments, but anyway. And then her, I've got those ones. And then some little friends. Oh, hello, beautiful girl. Maybe you would like to be an elf. Maybe, maybe. Oh, and then this all green. That's really pretty. This reminds me of Jennifer. She loves this color hair, so she's really, really pretty. I'll give her brown eyes. And then this beautiful girl here, and then this beauty here, and this girl, her pink, and I've got this one, that one, and then this girl here. I love this one. That's really, really nice. This one, and then a blue one. It's like a bigger upload today, a bigger doll, or bigger, yeah, because of how the schedule goes. And then I've got this beautiful girl here. Oh, she's cute. So she's like we had one like this in the Forever Friend a little while ago. And so, yeah, there's that one. And then for oh my God, look at this. Look at this. What beautiful hair is this? Gorgeous. That's really, really nice. This is our Forever Friend. Her and her. Oh, beautiful too. So pretty. And oh my gosh. This one, oh, look at that with the blue. And then she's got a bit of mohair in there, so this is just like extra floofy. Love her too. And then last but not least, I've got, oh my gosh, this one. Wow, this is so beautiful.